Hey you guys, come in, welcome back to my channel. So it is Sunday and I wanted to hurry up and get this Stitch Fix recorded because it goes back today. And unfortunately over the weekend I kind of broke my toe trying to save my kid's life. So I'm sitting on the floor. I'm in the same spot in my room. I'm just sitting on the floor. So let's hurry up and get this box open. So here are some jeans, and I had already opened the box, but I definitely wanted to come to you guys and show you what I got. I asked for work clothes, and I asked for a cardigan that was versatile that I can wear with everything, and I asked for nice blouses. But I got a pair of jeans, Article of Society, Hillary Skinny jean. These are them. I guess they're kind of skinny, but so that's these. This is a top. This is Paper Moon Bastille Tulip sleeve blouse. I love the color. I love the detailing on the sleeves if I can get it open. And if the quality of the video looks different, I am recording from my phone. I don't know if you can see. It is a cute, maybe once I put it on, you guys will be able to see it. It is a cute sleeve. It looks kind of like it has shoulder pads. Like, can you see it? But I love this color. It's not too much. I love this little detail in the back. This is super cute. It's not too long, but this is such a cute shirt. Next I have, this is so soft. Staccato Early Chanel cardigan in, what's this, green? It's like olive. It's really, really soft. It's a cardigan. I'm gonna tell you right now, I absolutely hate it. I don't know what, this is a weird, I don't know. I don't like, it's really, really soft, but I don't like it. I feel like it's for somebody older, in my opinion. I would not want to wear that. Maybe if it was black. I think it's the material that's throwing me. I don't know. It looks like somebody's couch. It feels like somebody's couch. I don't know. This, however, Pink Clover Stitch Fix exclusive. Okay, we're going to just try to stick this back in there. It just came out. Okay, I can stick it back, I'm sure. Okay, the tag is in here. Byron side button detail pullover in brown. Again, this color is not where it's at for me. But this is super cute. It has the little slit right here. But I don't like this color. Again, maybe if it was black. But this is not. What's a no for me? And then this is by Mason & Bell. Tie front brush knit top in burnt orange. I like the color. It is soft. And it has that little tie right there at the bottom. It's really cute. I like the material. It has this little, if you can see the detail in the back. Right there. And then in the front it also has that little line that goes all the way down the center. It's weird, but I'll try it. So I'm going to try this stuff on and let you guys see what it looks like, and then I will be back. Okay, and I hope you guys can see, because I am in my room. It's different from the bathroom, but so this is that top. I do not like this. It just looks kind of, maybe it's the size. This is the back. And I feel like this light is like messing up. So I'm going to re-angle the camera. Let me see. Okay, y'all. So this is a better angle. So like I was saying, I don't like the shirt. The pants are okay. I like that they're high rise, but I just feel like they're too big. Like, can you see? They're definitely too big. Like, what is this? Then in the back. They're kind of skinny at the bottoms. I would rather it be more skinny, but yeah. Let me show you guys this cardigan. That's this green thing here. I absolutely don't like. No. I like the feel, like it's super, super soft. I can see me like sitting at my desk at work like bundled up because it's cold. But I do not like this color. And maybe if it was in black, I would like it better. These are super cute, but I don't know. It's just, this is not me. This sweater is not me at all. And I don't know. I think I may need to size. I'm sure I need to size down on these jeans. They are big. But I like they come up so high, so they cover up all my fatness. All right, I'm gonna put on the next thing for you guys. All right, you guys, here's this shirt. Now this shirt is too small. Let me tuck it in for you. I'm not a tucker. I haven't tucked my clothes since like the 90s. My shirts and stuff, like I'm not a tucker, but because if I tuck, I feel like I need a belt. And I don't have very many belts because I don't tuck. But this is what it looks like tucked in like a pair of jeans. And I am top heavy, so this is too small though. This is a size small petite, and it is too small. But it's so cute. Let me show you guys the sleeves. Like you can see how it's too small right here, but look at that sleeve. That is super cute. Can you guys see it? Like that detail is so cute, and it looks just like a, I don't know, but I love this sleeve. I definitely have to size up because it's so tight right here. It's a size small petite, and I'm not a small petite at all. But I love these sleeves. So cute. Yeah, but it's so tight. Like, it's tight. All right, I'm put on the next one. All right, you guys, here's the next top. These are the same jeans. Look at that detail right here. That's so cute. Again, I do not like the color of this. It's the back. I would like it if it was a different color. It fits really good. I mean, it's a cute sweater, but I do not like this color. I have brown boots that would totally match this, but I mean, I don't like it. I don't like it. I like this. And I feel itchy. Like, I feel a bit itchy in this. I don't know why. It is a soft material. It's not like wool or anything, but it does feel itchy. What? polyester. It's 100% polyester. Yeah, it's making me itchy. Get closer up so you guys can really like see that. I normally have my camera set up so I'm not like trying to fit all of this into like one frame, but with my toe situation it is really not possible. And I don't like the way it flares out. It looks bulky. But it is a super cute sweater. I just wish it was in a different color. And it's itchy. I'm itchy right here. Alright, y'all. Let's talk about prices and what I'm going to keep and what I'm not going to keep. And I need you guys' help, okay? Alright, so like I said, today is Sunday. And I think I'm going to extend this out to see if you guys can like give me some advice on what I should keep. Because I'm wavering between the jeans and that shirt. I really, really need some jeans. My son is 1, but I've been at home with him, so I haven't purchased any jeans for myself. I really need some jeans. And the last Stitch Fix boxes I've been getting, the jeans are not like, these are supposed to be skinny, but they look like at the bottom they're not cute. But let me talk about it. If I size down, maybe I'll like them, but these are Article of Society. Ugh. Articles of Society Hillary skinny jeans in blue, size 6, $68. This top, which is the other top I absolutely love, is the Paper Moon Bastille Tulip Sleeve Blouse in navy, size small, petite, which I will have to go up a size. This is $38. And I'm just thinking about work. And the reason why I'm wavering between the shirt and the jean is because I can wear these jeans way more than what I can wear this shirt. I can probably wear this shirt once every like 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks. I can probably wear these jeans once a week. And nobody's going to be like, are those the same jeans? So that's why I'm kind of want to keep the jeans, because I absolutely need jeans. But I love that shirt, y'all. Okay, so this is the Mason & Bell Atia tie front brush knit top. This is a size small, burnt orange. This is $38. I do not like this for $38. I absolutely do not like this bottom piece. Maybe if it was the same print here, it wasn't white, because when it was on, you can see this part. So it looks like it's inside out. And I don't have time to be all day like turning this, trying to turn it the right way. Ain't nobody got time for that. This is like I said, $38. This is going back. This top right here, oh goodness, what is this? Yeah, Pink Clover Bryan B-R-Y-N-N Bryan side button detail in size small, color brown, $46. I would like this for $46, maybe if it was in black or white. Oh, white with these brown buttons, that would have been cute. Okay. Last but not least is this Staccato Ellery Chanel cardigan olive in a size small. It's $48. I think my yellow one that I kept with the crisscross, I think it was the same price. And that, I mean, it's yellow, so I can get some wear out of that, but not as much as I could if it was a black or cream or gray. But this green, this is going to be a no for me. I absolutely don't like this. This is this material. I don't know what it reminds me of, you guys. I don't know. It reminds me of something I would find in my grandma's closet. It is soft, but maybe if it was black, I can get past it. If it was black. But this green is not, it's not where it's at. But the detailing is really nice. It is so soft, y'all. So if you guys are, you know, if you have a lot of clothes in your wardrobe and you can do a green cardigan, this material, like sitting at your desk or going out, you know, shopping or running to the store, stop and get you some coffee when it's cold outside, Christmas shopping, you put this bad boy on. I mean, it's snuggling. I ain't lying, it's snuggly. And if it was in black, I would probably go ahead and pay for it. But I can't do it. So it's between this shirt and these jeans. Again, I am starting a new job soon. It's a government job, so I had to get like security clearance and all that extra stuff. So let me know what I should keep, you guys. I'm for real. Because these jeans are $68. And I would reach for them on my Fridays, on my days where I'm taking the kids on a play date, when I'm running errands, I just need to run to the store. I would reach for these. I would size down. The shirt, I'm only going to wear this shirt to work. Like, I would never wear this out because like, if I went out on a date, like, I'm getting spiffy. This is not spiffy to me. This is to work. So, I'm going to wear this to work. But I'm going to get more wear out of the jeans. That's $70 jeans. First off, Stitch Fix, stop sending me $70 jeans because I cannot afford them. But I need jeans. So you guys let me know. Thanks for watching. I did not show you my style card. My stylist was Mallory for this box. And I actually, because I think I'm going to ask for a different stylist because this box is not where it's at. And the jeans are $70. And I have on there cheap. The cheaper the better because I don't in any life pay $70. This one, the last one, the one next to come, I won't pay $70 for jeans. Let me know. I'm gonna extend this box. Today is Sunday, so please comment and let me know what I should keep. Thank you guys for watching. Oh, and I never say this, but if you guys like my channel, subscribe if you want. And also, I'm gonna leave the link down below of what Stitch Fix is, and it's also going to be a link in the description box. There's also going to be a link down there that if you wanted to try Stitch Fix, you can click on it and get a credit towards your box, and then I get a credit towards my box. I don't never really say it because I feel like if you guys like the channel, you would subscribe, and if you read the description, it kind of tells you click the link, get $25 off, or whatever the promotion is for that time. So, and I'm not one that's like, subscribe, or click my link. Like, it's there if you want it. If not, then, okay. And if you don't want to subscribe and you just watch my videos when they come out, or you just randomly picked on it, then I'm fine with that too. I just enjoy doing these videos because I enjoy it. So, yes, you guys, help us out, okay? I'll see y'all in the next one.